Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking an In-N-Out style burger. This has to be one of the tastiest burgers I've ever made, and it's pretty straightforward. First, we need to make the sauce. In a bowl, add half a cup of mayo, half a cup of ketchup, 1 finely chopped pickle, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sugar, finally 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it all together. Place it in the fridge to firm up until we need it. Next, slice 1 onion. You'll need 2 burger patties if you're going to make it double-double. Lay out a sheet of baking paper. Take a ball of mince and place another sheet of baking paper on top. Flatten out the mince until it's the shape and thickness of the patty that will fit in your bun. For this burger, I'm using 2080 chucked beef that I got from our local butcher. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add a stick of butter before adding the onions. Add a pinch of salt. This will help draw out some moisture. Once they've begun to fry, cover with the lid and cook until they're soft and browned. These are looking good. Next, place a thick bottom pan over high heat. Add a small amount of oil before placing your patties in the pan. Season with salt and pepper. Cook for 2 minutes before flipping. Then place a slice of American cheese on each patty. Gently press down on each patty. This will release some of the juices, creating steam that will help melt that cheese. Cook on this side for 2 more minutes. These patties should be about medium. Time to make this burger. Take your toasted bun and spread over some of that sauce we made on the base. Next, a couple slices of tomato, followed by some shredded iceberg lettuce. Then the first patty, a layer of that beautiful onion, finally the second patty, and top with a bun. There you have it, an In-N-Out burger cooked at home. I have to say, this is one of the most balanced tasting burgers I've ever had. The sauce, the 2 patties, and the onion work so well together. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.